How to fix household Primo water dispenser not charging. Here are some troubleshooting tips for a Primo water dispenser not charging. Check that the dispenser is plugged in and the outlet has power. Make sure it's plugged directly into the wall, not a power strip. Try plugging the dispenser into a different outlet in case the original outlet is faulty. Verify the electrical cord is not damaged and is securely plugged into the dispenser. Make sure the control panel comes on and displays when plugged in. If not, there may be an internal electrical issue. Check the fuse or circuit breaker to confirm no wires were tripped cutting power to the outlet. Open the front panel and check that all internal wires are connected properly to the main control board. Reset any loose connections. Test the inlet valve by plugging the dispenser in for 10 minutes. Place your hand near the valve to feel if it gets warm, indicating power is going to it. Replace the inlet valve if no power is reaching it. The valve activates the heating element. Check the heating element wires for damage and to ensure a proper connection. Faulty elements prevent heating and charging. Clean any calcium or mineral deposits that may be obstructing the valve or element. Use limescale remover. Call Primo customer service for additional troubleshooting if needed. They can diagnose internal issues. If no obvious problems are found, the main control board may need replacement by a technician. Contact Primo support for further diagnosis.